This is Mary. She's wearing a blue jacket, green trousers, and brown shoes. Her jacket has got an orange flower. I love flowers. My clown, this is Roberto. He's wearing a circo trousers. This is Sun trousers. This is Peter. He is a fantastic clown. He's wearing a colorful wing, color hat, funny nose, red goatee, green trousers, and big shoes. I love clowns. My class. This is Winnie. She is wearing yellow shoes, blue trousers, green tee, dark pink shoes, and purple and pink hat. I love clowns. This is Hot He, wearing a clown uniform. He is wearing a red hat. His hat flowers. Red nose. I love clown uniform. This is Marcos. He's wearing a red jacket, red jeans, yellow vest, and yellow trainers. My clown. This is a cachorro. He's wearing blue trousers, green jacket, brown shoes, purple flower, yellow hat, and orange. The flower is on the hat. I love clowns.